Hey guys, in this video we are going to checking out top 5 best dash cam review in the market. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the link in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology review. So let's get started. Number 5. Lingdu LD06 Dash Cam. The Lingdu LD06 Dash Cam has an integrated GPS tracker on the top mount for accurate tracking of your vehicle's location, speed, and route. This feature provides valuable evidence in case of accidents or disputes, enhancing the dash cam's practicality with the excellent Sony IMX415 sensor, f1.75 aperture lens and wide dynamic range technology. Lingdu camera provides exceptionally clear images even in difficult lighting conditions. The night vision function ensures that the recordings are of high quality even during night driving. With the Lingdu app, you can connect to the LD06 Dash Cam's Wi-Fi for convenient playback, downloading and sharing of recordings without removing the storage card. The camera provides high-resolution 5K, which ensures extremely detailed and clear recordings important for identifying details on the road. The camera has special parking modes that monitor the vehicle while it is parked. Number 4. Vantrue N5 Dash Cam. The Vantrue N5 is the newest cutting-edge dash cam designed to be the total package in video recording coverage. This innovative 4-channel design features built-in interior-facing cameras on both the front and rear dash cam modules, providing complete coverage inside and outside of your vehicle-adopted dual-core processor. This world's first 4-channel dash cam with 158 degrees front camera, 160 degrees front cabin camera, 160 degrees rear cabin camera and 165 degrees rear camera, can record the front, rear cab and sides of cars simultaneously. This Vantrue N5, coupled with the distinctive wide dynamic range technology that auto-adjusts exposure and balances light and shadow, it records significantly more details in ultra-low light conditions, ensuring clarity even on dimly lit roads. This unique camera eliminates blind spots and ensures comprehensive coverage, including the trunk, back seat, and side windows. Enjoy peace of mind while traveling with a baby in the back seat and maintain the safety of the cargo area and possible side accidents. The rear camera also employs 4 infrared LEDs and HDR technology, making it an ideal dash cam solution for ride-share, Uber, Lyft, or commercial fleet drivers. This unique camera eliminates blind spots and provides comprehensive coverage, including the trunk, back seat, and side windows. Enjoy peace of mind while traveling with a baby in the back seat with 5G Wi-Fi and dual-system GPS module. This 4-lens dash cam boasts 4x faster transfer speed and more accurate positioning function. It allows you to adjust settings, preview, edit and share online, track location, live speed in kilometers per hour or miles per hour and route via free van app. One click to download mileage analysis reports which serve as crucial evidence after road incidents. Number 3. 70mm X800 Dash Cam. This 70mm equipped dash cam front and rear captures 88% more light for sharper, more detailed footage in low light conditions. The 70mm records everything while the car is moving, turns around and records any motion activity while the car is parked, such as theft, hitting another car with a 360 degrees rotating design powered by dual Hall effect sensors and the equipped magnetic system. The built-in GPS captures speed, time and precise coordinates, seamlessly logged for review in the 70mm app, offering proof of travel and route optimization. The front and interior cameras are integrated into a single unit. After paired with a rear camera, the 4K T800 delivers full-scope, 3-angle coverage front, interior and rear to minimize blind spots with dual 4K clarity on the front and rear and 1080 pixel on the interior. This powerful setup provides high-resolution, indisputable evidence from every crucial perspective, especially in the event of an incident. The 4K T800 integrates advanced sensors to deliver exceptional image quality. Both front and rear cameras feature the cutting-edge Sony Starvis 2 technology, with the front using IMX678 and the rear IMX678/IMX662. This provides an elite-level visual experience with ultra-high sensitivity and rich detail in all lighting conditions. The 4K 70mm delivers precise lens positioning and flawless rotating, ensuring zero blind spots while doubling as a fun travel vlog recorder to capture every moment of your journey. Number 2. Vantrue E360 Dash Cam. The Vantrue E360, equipped with a quad-core CPU, dual 210° lenses, and Vantrue's image stitching tech, this dash cam captures smooth 5.2K 360° panoramic footage with no blind spots. It also offers unique fisheye plus and dual fisheye modes. Equipped with 5 GHz high-frequency Wi-Fi, the dash cam enables quick and easy setup on your smartphone. You can effortlessly view, edit, and download video clips, as well as share them on social media platforms, significantly faster than with the original. 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. The E360 Dash Cam allows you to take photos, toggle audio, turn Wi-Fi on or off, and lock videos using voice commands in multiple languages. The 1.54-inch IPS touchscreen with intuitive operation interface makes it easy to access the shortcut or main menu and switch cameras with a simple swipe. Automatically locks emergency videos into the event video folder when any collision is detected, preventing them from being overwritten. Supports online firmware upgrades without the need for disassembly. Firmware updates can be easily conducted via the app, ensuring the dash cam always operates at its best. This ensures hands-free operation and helps you focus on driving safely. The dual-system GPS module not only logs accurate location, live speed, and kilometers per hour or miles per hour and driving route, but also precisely analyzes driving data for you. The mileage analysis reports will be your strong evidences in insurance claims or disputes. Number 1. ASDOM M660 Dash Cam. This ASDOM M660 Dash Cam features 4-channel recording that provides complete 360° coverage, eliminating any blind spots for driver. With a front dash cam of 2.5K and additional channels at 1K, every angle is captured in stunning detail. This dash cam visible 3.0-inch IPS screen. Users can quickly view the recorded videos directly on the dash cam, eliminating the need for an app or computer to minimize driver distraction. Car camera 4 customizable screen modes, allowing drivers to adjust the screen to suit their needs. This M660 Dash Cam captures clear footage from the front, rear, and both sides of the driver's vehicle. This dash camera provides complete evidence for incidents like vandalism, theft, parking scrapes, and insurance fraud, ensuring the driver is covered in any situation. This M660 car dash cam features advanced high-speed eMMC storage, offering faster read and write speeds than standard memory cards with speeds 2 to 3 times faster than traditional SD cards. It efficiently handles large amounts of data, minimizing the risk of data loss and ensuring that the dash cam reliably captures every important moment. This dash cam's super night vision and infrared lighting. This dash cam delivers clear footage in low light conditions. Left and right cabin cameras each feature 6 built-in IR LEDs, improving nighttime video quality and ensuring clear capture of all recording details in low light conditions.